Hi, good morning, friends. Today I'm talk about how you can speak perfect and better language. I search out the all these are problem. What we are doing? We are doing five mistake in speak in English. First, I search out 5 points where you are doing mistake. Five common problem in English. What is common problem? First is confidence. You don't have confidence. Why you don't have? Because we don't have enough knowledge of this. You want to gain your vocabulary daily. What are you doing? You have to search new word. How you can speak in English. That through you can gain your confidence level. And what you are don't have confidence level because you are not doing daily practice. Whatever your type, whatever type you need to practice, but how you can practice, that is your weak point. So much people are suggest you how you can do the practice. So much people are saying what you daily read the newspaper, you have to watch the online new movies and YouTube, you have to go and front stand and mirror and you speak with yourself. Then what you speak with your friends in English, whatever language you are speak, that is much better for your practice. But what is most important, what which all people you can't get the same result. Different type because we have different ideas, so much searching. So one idea through you will be grow. Otherwise, you can grow through the confidence levels. Means you can grow through the daily doing practice. That through also you can grow. If you are doing the speaking with your friend, that through also you can gain the confidence level. So different times you can gain your confidence level. So whatever you have to do the practice. Yeah, really you want to speak. So follow this. This is rule for confidence gain to your confidence level. So what you are doing? Confidence level how you can get, because we don't have money. Other person you calling, I need them some money. Can I get? You don't have the how you can provide that money. How you can take the money? How you can give that money? That is your big point because we don't have knowledge. That's why you feel I'm speaking with other person, so I don't have knowledge. How you can speak? So practice how you can do. I am just given the 4 or 5 points. That through you can go in your confidence level. First, you are gain your vocabulary. Daily, you have to search new word. How you can speak in English, because almost time what we are saying, you go on for the interview. They are asking in Marathi, English, whatever your language using, but professional language, basically Indian language. You want to ask what is your name? This is Indian language, but they are speaking fluent language, so they will ask you. What you will ask? Can I catch your name? Can I catch your name? That is your weak point. So that's why happening this, you are not doing the practice. So that is new word you have to search on YouTube. What are you doing? How you can searching. So whenever you will possible, so don't waste time and any other places. You have to spend time, because whenever you got the knowledge, you are searching new friends. So you have to search only selected friends. That through you gain the knowledge. Like the selected person, we are supporting you, or you want to speak English. Okay, let's go. We'll search new books. We'll search on video how you can gain the confidence level. We will search and best speaker English. We have to go online. You will search so many people you get online YouTube. They will suggest how you can speak. You follow any one things you have to follow, and daily you do into the practice. Whatever you are doing, practice small thing, you will gain definitely. And what is your big point? Whenever you speak in English, whenever you speak in English, you think about the other people. What will decide? What will think about me? I am speaking good or not? I am speaking. So what you want to do? You want to do one more thing. What you are doing? One more thing. You whenever you will start first you are weak in English, then you have to think you whatever you are speak fake language also you can try fake language. You don't you are you start to first English. There is not matter you are speaking grammatically properly, there is not matter, because you are learning point. So you have whatever you, that's why I'm saying you can fake language, so whatever, but you have used the minimum word you have to use in English. Minimum. Oh, sorry, minimum first. After that, you will be perfect. Then you can use the maximum. So first step is think. think you are best always. Always you are best. You can speak very well English. So that is you are that. Then you can gain your confidence level. That's why you are because what people village type people also thinking I don't have knowledge, so how you can speak in English? Almost people are thinking, but small thing can gain your confidence level. That's why you need to the daily practice. I don't think you have to spend so much time. You have to spend 10 to 15 minutes. I give you examples. Second, what you realize your okay. First was what was confidence level. So that's why I'm saying you can use in speaking daily fake languages whatever, but you have to use small word. You can use first English, then realize you have to realize I can speak better and good language. So daily you have to speak realize and don't matter whatever you are thinking in your nearby staying your parents parents will always will feel you want to speak better language, but your nearby friends, your neighbor will thinking, my friends what will be thinking, I'm speaking properly or not speaking properly. You working in a office, so what will be my colleagues will think I am speaking well or not. My boss what will thinking. So first you have to learn. So all these are forget. You what we are thinking, your nearby people, your colleagues, your friends, you have to realize first I can speak perfect and very well language. First you have to realize. Then what are you thinking about? Other people are judge me I'm not speaking well because you are this is your weak point, na? Your confidence level. So this is your weak point. So how you can practice? That's why I'm giving you first step. First step. Forget all these are things. Whatever you decide or nearby people, you have to just decide. I want to speak perfect. I want to speak very well language. Third one, take easily. You are speaking, you have to search new word in daily routine and maintain your one diary. Daily you have to write in diary two word Marathi to English. New word. I'm not saying you have to word 10, 15 words. You have to write into 3 words only daily because you will try to the one day you have so much time. So what you are doing? You have so much time, so you are in your diary written 13, 14 words in Marathi to English, and you saying I today I am search so much word in English. So there is not matter because small step by step you have to go. Step by step you have to improve yourself. So daily 1, 2, 3, 4, just that is enough. That you have to search in your diary. You can use the novel dictionary also. Small dictionary available in market. You take it and take. You don't read one day in all these are books. You have searched one word in daily routine. Then practice. Okay, confidence level. You want to go on, so you need to the practice also. First, I was saying how you can do the practice. So last week also, last 2 3 weeks, I was suggest you how you can do the practice. Practice through how you can gain practice daily. You have to think your mind whenever you will be possible. Then you have to start think in English. Whenever you are going in bus, you can think, "Arey, today is very crowded. I can sit or not." Okay, I will need to. I don't have change for tickets. And you are going to the train also you can think that today is very crowded. I want to go next stations. So how it can possible go in this crowded? Today is very crowded. Okay, my friend is sitting there with new friend is sitting there. I will try to fourth seat, but now COVID position, so I can't sit fourth seat. Small things you have to first start. If you are in your office, in your home, so one more thing I will suggest you. What you want to do? Okay. One more thing what we okay, you are working in office, in your office. So office related, I'm not saying you have to search all word because we are purchasing 1000, 2000. Sorry, you are purchasing small books, you will get 5000, 1000 in between word. You will purchase 500,000 above price, so you get 1 lakh, 1 lakh above words. So there is not matter. your matter only where is your low your confidence level. You have to working in office, so that related you have to search only word that related. You are working in bank, so you are normally what you know very well, check, withdrawal, receipt payment, credit, debit, whatever you know about that. So small thing. You are working in IT company, that related you have to search word that related. IT technical company, that related you have to search. You are networking, hardware engineering, networking related you are working in job, so that related you have to search word. Means what you can call the hardware, RAM, motherboard, small word you have to search. Small word. I'm not saying you have to search so many words. That related you have to search word only. But because what is your weak point? You are whenever place you are working, whenever place you are working. So that related you have to search word, because you can give the answer confidently with that. So selected is what you are speaking. So still morning to evening time. Your whatever your job timing 10 to 5, whatever timing, that related what you want to speak with your colleagues, with speak with your boss. So that said, but just that you have to search in daily routine. You are going, so your last week I was showing time also. What time you can greet your colleagues, your boss after morning to afternoon. After 12 o'clock you have to say good afternoon. After 12 to before 4 o'clock you have to say afternoon. After 4 to still evening you have to say evening. And when you want to say good night, whenever you want to go somewhere, you want to leave your friends, then you have to say good night. So small words in daily routine you have to practice on that daily. If you are stay with along with home, so what you are doing, you search any story in English. You have to try to write. First you search in Marathi, otherwise you search in English, and then try to English and write. You have to write in pencil. You are not understand meaning of that one words you not understand. So that word you have to, in pencil you have to write what is the meaning on Marathi. So if what I'm saying again, if you want to speak in English, so that practice you need to the daily, because almost person is not achieve easily goal. MPSC, UPSC person you are doing they are doing the practice. So how we can do the practice? You search online video also. What you are daily studying 10 to 12 hours you are daily studying, because why they want to achieve the goal. I'm not saying you need to do the hard work. You have just follow small step in daily routine. Small step. You have any best friend, they want to speak, you want to speak in English, so you call them and don't speak on message what you have to speak related English. Hi, good morning, how are you, what are you doing, what is the planning for today, what was the planning was yesterday, what is planning tomorrow. You have to ask small thing, that through also gain the knowledge. Okay, so that through you gain the confidence level. Okay, second, sentence concentration. Sentence means how you can gain sentence how you can make one word will be joined, that through you can make this properly sentence. I give example also how you can make the sentence, how you can make the correct sentence. So you have to small study also. You have to search part of speech. Part of speech means one word you will join, then make the perfect sentence. So you have to search what is the meaning of nouns, pronouns, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. This is 8 of part of speech. So what is meaning of noun? Noun meaning of whenever any you can call in word any, you can touch, you can see, that is called noun. In word, any word you can see, you can touch, that is called noun. Like book, pen, whatever you can say. Pronouns means what is place of noun. Place of nouns means they are replace name to place. Like you want to say again, Ram is good boy, Ram is clever boy, Ram is fifth standard. So you have used First, you have to use name, Ram. Second, what you want to do? Second, you have to change the place, name. So you can use Ram is good boy. He is fifth standard. He is living Thane. He is clever boy. So like that, you have to use. You have to change noun place to pronouns. That is called pronouns. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you. That is called pronouns. Now, what is of adjective? Adjective means you have to say any feelings like good, bad, naturally any feelings. You any have any richest person, that is called adjective. Brave, he is a brave boy. That is also called brave, rich, poor. That is all. These are word can you can use adjective. Now, what is a verb? Verb means any daily routine. Your daily routine. You are doing any action like go, eat, sit, take, whatever. You have so many words like go, come, eat, take, bring. I was sent also on your group also. So in my old group, I was sending all these are verb list. So many words we have use can verb. So many words. You are doing any action in daily routine. And shortly, I want to say what is the meaning of verb. Verb meaning is any sentence in Marathi sentence. Last word is येणे जाणे खाणे पिणे. That is called verb in Marathi sentence in last word. That is called verb, any action. And what is the meaning of preposition? Any spot you want to say. I am live in home. I am working in company. I on platform. I on pottery. I at nearby temple. I doing for the job. I have support for my friend. So shortly, I want to say what is the meaning of preposition. Preposition meaning is you are using in, on, at, of. That is called preposition. And what is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction in two word joining word. That is called two word between joining word. That is called conjunction. So you can say and Ram and Sam, or apple and any fruits, or but I can come but I don't have time. So shortly I will explain what is a conjunction means and, or, and but. That is called conjunction. What is the interconjunction? You are showing any excitement, any feelings, like you are showing wow, oh nice, oh my god, like they are showing any feelings. That is called interjection. So small things you have to read in daily routine. So that through you can make sentence. You can make sentence confidently. Okay. Then in vocabulary. So last time I was tell you what is a vocabulary. Your daily routine. You are speaking one word. I go. I wake up. I sleep. I eat. I return. I sweep my house. I read. I write. I teach. I show. I wear. I eat. What is your daily routine? I press my clothes. I wear shoes. Your daily routine. That is called vocabulary. So what you want to do, you don't have that vocabulary. That's why you can't speak perfectly. So first you have to gain your confidence level. That's why what you want to do, gain first vocabulary. Vocabulary. You have to try to speak. What's what I'm saying? You don't think about what you think about your nearby people. You are judging what are you doing. So don't think about that. You have to think only yourself. You want confidence level gain, so you daily gain the vocabulary. So I given the example also. Daily you. I'm not saying daily you write in Marathi to English 2-3 word, new word, 30-40 words. You have to write only 3-4-5 enough. That is what you write in a maintain one diary and daily write new words, whatever. Because basic word you know very well. Wake up means, eating means, sitting means, revering means, richer means, swim means, going means, coming means, small you know word very well. So you have to search new word in 2-3 words only, maintain diary and written daily. That through you gain the vocabulary. That through also you can speak very well. Next is unable to speak. Unable to speak means you are speaking with other person, you can understand other person you are speaking with you, You can understand, but you can't reply. What? Because you don't have confidence level, you don't have vocabulary, you don't make a sentence properly. That is you unable to speak. You can reply on mobile, your WhatsApp, you can give the easily reply. You can write in notebook also easily, but you can't speak because what happened? You are not doing practice. Whenever you do the practice daily speaking, so what you want to do? You are staying with your parents, so you have to say your parents. Today I will be will speak in English only. Nothing I will be speak in mother language because I want to improve myself. So you parents also I'm saying you want to help your student. You have to help your kids. You have to help your small baby boys. They want to speak English. They are studying in school, so you have to help that. So you have to follow at the rules. And I'm talking about parents. So parents talk about how next week I give the lesson how you can improve the parents also. Okay, because what happens? Parents we don't have time to the students. That's why I'm starting these classes. Unable to speak because you can reply easily on mobile. What are you doing? Where are you going? But you can't reply. What? Because you don't have a confidence level. I will speak confidently or not. So that through also you need to practice. You search. I'm giving the idea. Also you search any friend that friend also you want to speak daily. So you have to speak you with friends. You have to ask about what are you doing. What is the planning? What time you want to sleep? What time you are back up? What time you take lunch? What time you take the dinners? What time you where you want to go anywhere place? You have to ask small things in daily. Understand. Again, same. Understand English, understand English, and can write but can't talk. Same. Understand. You are understand English. Other person speaking with you. You understand, but you can't reply because you don't have confidence. You don't have sentence. You don't have vocabulary. That is your big point. So that's why I'm saying I observe all the daily routine. What is your big point? So you understand whatever is speaking in your boss, what you are speaking, but you feel. So your boss know very well. You can't speak perfect. So you have to speak. You have to try daily. There is not matter you are not speaking grammatically. There is not matter because I'm not saying I'm speaking perfectly. I'm also doing small thing in a grammatical mistake. But you are understand there is a matter front for third person whatever you are asking he understand your meaning first your that your matter that only there is not matter you are not understand so you have to try to speak so you can speak fake language also but you have to speak small word small wording you have to use in English in daily routine so that through you can gain your confidence level so that's why I'm start these classes because village level what happened village level all these are person we are have education degree diploma bcom ba bsc so much we have available certificate but their big point they can't speak English what they can't speak English because they understand English that's why they understand that's why they got the certificate they speak English they got certificate degree diploma because they are understand but they can't reply because all these are things you require the practice. So here also I was written prepper. Prepper. Prepper means you have to daily study. You have to daily study, practice in speaking with your better speaker. If you want, here mention practice. You make a better speaker. Practice. You will make better speaker. What will happen? Daily routine when you go to other state other country they are speaking that language small boys small kids they are speaking very well language first they are not teaching they just listening only listening power also is most important you are listening daily any one language so you can speak perfect language what I'm saying you need to practice because daily you are not doing practice you are focused on other thinking there is not matter mpsc upsc exam you will be say online so they are studying 10 to 12 hours daily study why because they want to achieve the goal if you want to achieve the goal what you want to go you want to ready for the mpsc and upsc exam so first I will explain ISI exam, IRAS exam, IFS exam. As short meaning, I will explain IFS means sorry IRAS. Indian INS, Indian National Service, Indian Police Service, Indian IFS, Indian Force Service. They are related so many jobs. So small thing you can go on confidence level. You can make confidence level. So you can give that exam also. But you have to make your foundation in English. What are doing? They are asking in 10 to 10 to 12 studying exam, 12 to 10 standard question they are asking. And so much asking in economic related maths, English. And what you want to do? You want to read the story also. Daily routine you need to the story and economic related you have to need the story. Economic related what were doing economic doing student you know to the daily times of India that related also you can gain the confidence level. And daily current affair related they are asking question. So small thing you need to the practice daily. I hope you are doing practice and you have to follow rule that through ICO you will gain the confidence level. And thanks for watching.